Hi, I'm Dani from Allpress London, and I'm about to show you how to make an iced black coffee. Donna Summer once said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." Clearly, she was talking about the iced black coffee. Okay, iced black coffee. So you want to get, I go like, and then grab it. All right, guys, iced black coffee. So you want to get a tumbler, enough to fill 150 mils of liquid. Your ice. Now I like 5 ice cubes. You just want to make sure that you don't dilute the drink too much. So not too much ice. Then you want to get your coffee shots. This stuff is strong, 1:5 ratio. There ain't no free pour in this. So that's 25 mils of coffee shots and 125 mils of water. So you've got your coffee shots. And then we top it up with water. Really, really simple. You could add whatever you want to it. Soda, tonic, chocolate milk, oat milk, that's what I love, but not orange juice. Nice. The good brew, coffee shots, in stores.